Alright, so I gotta make a key to this Ford Fusion here, and as you can hear, the alarm is going off. And to do the keys when the alarm is going off, you have to do a bunch of steps, extra steps of letting your tool run for a while, unhooking the battery, and I don't know, it's a big thing to do, and I don't feel like doing it. So there's another way. One way is to check the glove box for the owner's manual to see if the door code, which is for this pad right here, to see if it's got the code in there. Now, if we are unfortunate and can't find the code in the manual, which usually it's on like a business card right in the pack, rarely will they write it in, but I mean, you might as well check while you're looking. But if it's not there, then we're going to go to the next method, which is to come here to the driver's side, and we're going to look right under here. Okay, we're coming under, we're flipped upside down, and here we see the smart junction box, or the, well, that's the old name. I guess they just call them BCMs now. And generally they're not pulled back like this. I think somebody's already done this once before, so I'm not the only one. But if we look there, what is that we see right there? Is that a 10213? I think that it is. So 10, what was it? 101, what was it? Man, I forgot. You get old, your memory starts going. So 10213, right? 10218. I couldn't really see my phone there. 10218. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go 10218. And now our alarm is disabled. So now we can actually program the proximity key just as an add key rather than a clear and erase and have to cut the alarm off. So it's just a little tip there. I'm gonna go ahead and get my scanner out, find my key for this, and I'm gonna start programming. So I've got my key here, and I've got my scanner hooked up. So we're gonna go to Immobilizer, and we're gonna see how much easier it makes programming this key now, since we do not need to worry about the alarm being active. I don't know if this is gonna work like that. Yeah, it did. So we have a smart key system that looks about right. Now we can do a status scan. We can go to control unit. Let's just go to control unit, keyless system, key learning, and let's just hit add smart key. The alarm is not active, so it tells me to deactivate the alarm. If it is, we're not going to do that. So it wants me to close all the doors, open the driver's door, put the PROX in the reader. If it's key, blah blah blah. Okay, well that's not what we need to worry about. But this is the key reader here. You see it matches our key, so that's where we will put it to program it. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it right there. I like that they have the little key spot there where it's easy to see. Some vehicles don't do that. So turn the ignition to the on position or open and close the driver's door one time. So let's do this. Let's open it. I don't think the ignition is going to come on, but I am going to hit it just to kind of wake it up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit go. I do not know if it's going to take the full 10 minutes. I suspect it will, roughly take it. So I will probably pause this while it's doing its thing, getting its security access, and then we'll pick back up once it's done. So the security access is done. It says there's 3 keys in the system. I'm going to hit OK. Hopefully it changes to 4. Let us see. I heard the door locks go. I see the key program successful, and I see the count go to 4. So it is done. I'm going to hit no. Learning complete. And that's it. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and start it. My battery might be dead. So there we go. I'm gonna have to check and see if my battery is dead, but I don't see no light. So I'm gonna throw a battery in this bad boy and call it a day.